Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this simple and delicious sauteed mushrooms and onions. This goes fabulous on steaks or on burgers or with chicken. Today actually I did some grilled chicken and I topped it with the mushrooms and onions, and trust me, you guys are going to love it. So I'm going to show you all how easy it is to make, and you guys need to try it out for sure. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be using baby bella mushrooms. Now a couple of you asked, messaged to ask how it is that I go about cleaning mushrooms. So what I do most times is just use a damp paper towel and I just wipe them off. Sometimes, I'm going to be honest, I quickly put them under the pipe, under the running water, and then just dry them off really quickly. So that's how I basically clean my mushrooms, because I don't want to get that dirt taste. So sometimes some people say actually don't even wash it. Depending on the mushrooms, I might probably not put it under the water, and I will just rub it with wipe it off with a damp paper towel, or sometimes if they do look a little dirty, I will put it under the running water and then just simply use a paper towel and wipe them off. So I've already cleaned these baby bella mushrooms, and it's about a half a pound that I'm going to be using. And I also have one large onion that I'm going to be using for today's sauteed mushrooms and onions. So preferably for this recipe, you can use the sweet onions, the large sweet onions that you find in the supermarket. If not, you can go ahead and use the regular onions, whatever one is easily available to you. So I'm basically just going to be peeling this, and I'm just going to be slicing it real thin. Next, I'm going to be slicing my mushrooms. Now you can slice them, you can keep them fairly chunky if you like, but I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces. So sometimes you hear people say that the stem tends to be a little chewy and discard the stem, but to be honest with you, I've always included it in my dishes or whenever I've been making mushrooms, and they've been perfectly fine to me. If you don't have the baby bella mushrooms, you can use the button mushrooms, white mushrooms, whatever you find available in the supermarkets. I prefer using the fresh ones instead of the canned ones for this recipe, of course. So we've got our mushrooms chopped up, we've got our onions, and now it's just to put it together. This is one of those super easy things to do, and it's so flavorful and nice that I just absolutely love it. So to my pan, I'm going to be adding some olive oil and also some unsalted butter. If you don't have unsalted butter and you have margarine in your fridge, you can go ahead and use that as well. So I'm going to add some of my onions. This smells so good right about now. And I'm actually going to add some sugar. And this is going to give a nice caramelized sort of sweetness. And I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce. So I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, keeping it between low and medium heat until the onions are extra nice and tender and the mushrooms are fully cooked through. So when it's almost done, what you can do is just taste it. If you need to add some salt and some black pepper to it, you can feel free and go ahead and add it according to how much you feel comfortable adding. So our easy sauteed mushrooms and onions are done. Now this goes fantastic on burgers. It goes so well on steak and even some nice grilled chicken. So today I'm actually going to be topping my grilled chicken with this mushroom and onion. So for my grilled chicken, I'm using a cast iron pan, and I've got some chicken breast that I've already seasoned with some all-purpose seasoning, some cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and some parsley. And I'm just going to place each one onto my pan. And these chicken breasts are quite thick, so I'm going to be cooking it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or longer. So I've got my grilled chicken breast done, and all I'm simply going to be doing is just topping it with this sauteed mushrooms and onions. This, guys, I'm telling you, it's so delicious. I absolutely love it. And like I said, it goes perfectly well with burgers, with steaks. It's a nice extra topping to your main dish. So you guys need to try this out for sure and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much as always for watching. Hope you liked the video. Share it with all your friends and your family, and see you guys in the next video.